Okay, so this is our next step on our bottom end service. So I showed you how we put the snap ring in, and that was our first step and everything like it. So now we're getting ready to press in our Timken bearings. It's very crucial that this goes in straight. So the way that we do, this is another Jim's tool that we have used. Jim's is a very good advocate for making a lot of these nice specialty tools. So we've been using them for years. So this is a one that basically you can see right here, it fits the bore size. And what this does, it goes in and it rests right against the snap ring. So we set that on there like that, on the snap ring. So, and then we'll come in here with our race. And then this is the top, and if you'll notice here, that fits that very nicely. And then you have a alignment hole here. So that aligns it, everything nice and straight. So then we set that up here, like so. I press it over the thing. And then basically we just press that in nicely. Now this has about a 3/1000 press on that race. So as you can see, it goes in very nicely. It's going only, and then it will hit on that snap ring, and then it just bottoms, and I can feel it bottom, and you don't have to, step on your press. Once it's bottomed, and all the alignment is right. So then once you get the front one in, then I just come in, take that off. I flip the case over. Now I've already prepped these before we started rolling the video. We use a Sun press die so that it's all been coated and everything like that. So that will go in on your other race. And then you just duplicate it from the other side. And then you'll come in and you'll set your shims on there. And what you're doing now, you're pressing on the race. So you're never pressing on the insert. Everything is being pressed off of the snap ring. So with everything nice and snug, we just come in there and then we just press that one in. As you can see, it just goes in nice and smooth. And then once I get it down, I just feel there, I just give it a little bit of a hit, and it will be about 5 ton. It really doesn't need that much. It's just the way I do it. So anyways, it's just a little, we haven't pressed on the case. That's just sandwiching the 2 races against the snap ring. So now that we've got this done, now our next step is putting the bearings on the flywheels, and then I'll show you how we go about setting our end play. I've got to put the right bearing in the case because I do all my end play basically, which is what I call it a drop test, and I'll explain that to you here in the future. Thank you very much.